Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah and today's DIY, how to set up your Amazon Fire Stick.
Fire TV Stick.
If you remember, a few weeks ago we bought a Fire Stick from Amazon. Here's the quick unboxing before we set it up.
Remote control.
USB power cable. Fire Stick with DHMI connection with micro USB slot on the side. HDMI extender. Power adapter. 2 AAA batteries for remote control. Fire Stick installation. And don't forget, if you like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
It is AAA battery.
AAA batteries for the remote control.
Yep. It should be. Push it down. Almost. There.
Okay.
Oh, this is different. So this go here and this go there. Coolness. Go back in. There you go. Then you take the plastic out. Okay.
Good. That's done.
Done.
Next.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna unplug this. And we're gonna plug this into here. Then we're gonna plug this into here. That's it. That will go into the, and that will go into here. And then this side will go into the TV.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Connect your HDMI cable into your HDMI slot behind your TV. Then plug your power in.
This is the TV remote. Turn the power on. Here we go.
Then we bring it over to Fire Stick.
Go to Fire Stick. Okay.
Okay.
Searching for your remote.
Yep.
Now you take your remote.
And you right there.
Press the button there. Now this is right here. Fire TV.
Press that button to start.
Press what button? Press
Right
play.
here. Right here.
All right, yeah.
Press the middle button
This
to
is right
start.
there. Press middle button to start. Press play.
Yeah, which is right here on the remote.
Right here on the remote. Okay.
Okay, so we'll do English.
English. Network connection successful. Checking for updates. Finishing updates. Connecting to Amazon. Successfully registered. Okay. Welcome. Oop, I take my now. Welcome. Blah blah blah. Jonah. Stick will be registered to your account. Continue. Checking for backups. Oh, Jonah's Fire Stick. Restoring should take long. Fire Stick is designed.
Prepare and control.
For control in mind. Okay. Okay. Preparing remote for setup.
We detected your Roku TV. Is this correct? Yes. We'll be playing music during this next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up. Then continue next. With your Fire TV remote, point at your TV, toggle the volume up and volume down buttons. Did the music volume change and come out of the expected audio device? Yes. Your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. Press OK.
Loading. Award for card-friendly content. Welcome to Fire TV. Got it.
Who's watching Fire TV? Jonah.
Okay.
You can now create other profiles or other names if you like.
Okay. Profile, put your enter your name, birthday, and all that stuff there. All right.
I can do. There.
That's it. Back to the home. There you go.
So you can watch everything. Prime Video,
Prime.
Classic TV.
Okay.
Okay.
Just use the controller up and down. Which one's up?
It's the circle. So anytime you want to enter, just hit the middle. And this is going up. Just hit the up part. If you want it to go down, just hit the down part. And left
That's right.
and right. So left.
That's
Oh,
right.
no, that's right. So we go to right. So there's Netflix, Crave, YouTube, CTV, App Store, which we don't need.
And you can go and maneuver down.
Yep. Then you can go here and go set up. I got everything. So it's already have your network. So there. Okay,
that
that's
works
it.
then.
And if you want to go back, just press the back key right here on the. So
You want to go back?
you want to go back, there's a back key right here next to the home. Or you can just hit home. Then it'll bring you right to the end, or just hit back. And then it's just go back.
Okay, that's it. Quite simple for setting up your Fire TV stick.
Yeah.
Good job. Thanks for that. Give me a
There
thumbs
you
up.
go. Thumbs up.
If you have any questions, don't ask me, ask Nancy. I don't know much about this, to tell you the truth. And if you like my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.